right, guys, it is almost Black Friday. So doing a quick update on some Bitcoin technical analysis, but first we're starting off on blockchain tatrading.com, where we can guys get multiple things on there. I just want to go over a couple aspects that I want to highlight for the Black Friday sale. 50% off starts today. Yes, that is accurate. 50% off. So 50% off any Discord membership. You can actually join the Discord here. These are the members in the Discord. We actually added another full-time professional trader. But yeah, 50% off, whether it's a lifetime, yearly, or monthly. And then as well as 50% off the trading essentials class as well. So all good stuff. Or you can simply subscribe to the BlockBot. But you actually get that for free whenever you are in the Discord as well. So lots of good stuff. And if you haven't done so already on the website here, just make sure you log on and just put in your information. I'll send you a video demonstration of my #1 trading strategy that is consistent, profitable, reliable, and you can apply it to any market. And of course, if you don't believe me, here's a few reviews from members in the Discord already. So speaking of the Discord, let's pull that guy up real quick. So I was highlighting in here before when we were kind of sitting on that 60K a couple days ago that I was expecting to move back down to 56.8, somewhere within that ballpark. And we definitely got that. Got a nice strong reaction, had a nice 100% gain on that guy. And, if you missed that, Jerome, he had a great alert today, 400% profit on his Alice Long that he just called. So all good stuff, as well as education, trading chat rooms, and all kinds of awesome, amazing things that you're missing out if you're not in there. So let's go ahead and dive over to the chart real quick. All right, guys, it is Blockchain coming at you with a technical analysis update. I will be doing videos again. I apologize for the absence. I've had a lot of things going on, and it's time. It's time to get back into the videos. So I miss them. I miss you guys, and of course, definitely miss the Discord. So if you guys haven't been in there and checked it out, tons of value. Let's go and crack this bad boy open real quick. I just want to show you some of our traders that we have, as well as some of their calls. Even though this past market dump has still been a great time to profit. So they will post their technical analysis, as well as their trade positions, their updates, their take profits, their stop losses, you name it. Discord is taking forever to open up. Bear with me. One moment. It is starting. At least it says it's starting. Here it goes. Maybe. The anticipation is killing me. Holy cats. All right, so let's get back into the blockchain Discord. Cool. So get out of here. Sweet. All right, so we have a couple different tiers, I guess. So we have the education tier, we have the monthly tier, the yearly tier. All that will be in the links below, but want to just shout out. Here's a little bit of the calls from what we were looking at. So today we had a 60% gainer from Mr. Crypto. Here's his technical analysis, his positions. We got Mini Must that has been actually had some solid prints. So I had a 53. Nice little 3,000%er there. No big deal. His technical analysis. VRez, same thing, posting his technical analysis. We got Jerome, we got KJ. I'm pretty sure he had a nice little 1,000%er on his call earlier. So solid stuff. So even in this dump, guys, there is a huge opportunity to profit. But anyway, let's get back into the the charts here. So big thing I want to take a look at is pretty much all the oscillators are fully reset. So what I'm looking at overall from an Elliott wave perspective, and I'm going to try and keep this video under 10 minutes for everyone here, but I'm looking at this as a 1, 2, this is a 3, longer 4 out here, and then another 5 to get up here, somewhere in the probably 100 to 30,000 ish range for Bitcoin on the price action. So this is the weekly view. Like I said, fully reset. We are in oversold territory. We haven't been this low on our RSI since the dump of right here in 2018. It hasn't gone into oversold territory since 2018, and here we are in an oversold territory at $22,000. So I've been looking at the $20,000 range for a long time in the Discord. So let's look at the daily view, and I'll kind of show you what I'm looking at. So a possibility, but I'm looking at this as overall as a fourth wave. And you can see that this right here is 3 waves. So we have an ABC here. There's just no doubt about it. Boom, 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 ABC. And I'm also looking at this as an ABC too. So this looks also very 3 waves. So 1, 2, 3, right? And what I'm looking at for this, I'm actually going to move some of these down so I can pull some decent pivots. So if this is going to be kind of a larger B wave, this is why I was looking at the $20,000 range. So Bitcoin is known for the expanded B pocket, right? So the 1.236 and the 1.382, and we came down and boom, just tagged it right there at 20K. So I'm looking at this as potentially a larger A, B, and then we're going to have a C up. Get back probably, I mean, I'm going to say it's somewhere in the 50, 60K. And then that's going to make this whole thing right here an A, B. We'll need to come back down again. And then that will blast us off. The only other option that I could look at is this is just being a WX and a Y. All 3 waves, but this can't be a wave 1 because this right here, we came up and broke new highs. So that invalidates this as being a wave 1. So we did not move down impulsively. So this whole thing is corrective. But we're looking at this as either a WXY right here, or an A, and then this is a larger B, and then this will be a C, where we'd come back down on a 5-wave move, and then that would be our blast off. To get somewhere into the 100K range. And we'll see what that turns into, but this right now is going to be my local low, and looking really just to DCA in the entire way. So I'm looking for a 5-wave move up with continuation to get back into the 50 to 60K price range here on Bitcoin, and this larger 5-wave move. So like I said, when we go out here to the weekly, we are very, very oversold. And if we are to, let's make this a little bit bigger. If we pull a fib retracement, get out of here. Let's pull our fib retracement. I mean, call it the wick. We got some wicks in there. But it came back down and we tagged a 382 fib retracement, which is either the 236, which we hit here, or the 382 is very typical of a 4th wave. So that I'm looking at as the low for Bitcoin before we go up to another. I'm looking for 100K, honestly. I think with my fib retracements or fib projections, that put us at about $130,000 for Bitcoin. And I'd be looking at that somewhere before 2024. And then after that, I think we'll have a pretty nasty correction after that, because that will be the end of the 5th wave. So we would potentially come back down into, the 15 to 20K range. So that's what I got, guys. Make sure you jump in the Discord. Hopefully I'll see you guys in there from recent updates, and I will catch you guys for the next technical analysis video.